Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope all you are doing good. So today I'm gonna show you and teach you how to make a night glowing effect. I'll just select a picture. I'll just take today Billy's picture. Okay, this is a good picture. First I'll unlock it. Alright, I didn't get the HD version of the picture, so I'll just use the current version. Um, First I'm gonna select the highlighted object, and that's glasses, and that a whole function. Okay, let's select this glasses by using object tool. If you don't know object tool, you can see a lot of tutorials how to use object tool, and I'm making another video selection. So alright, let's go. I'll just press alt and I'll just start drawing something like this. Okay, this is okay, sorry. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press shift and I'm gonna start drawing. Again I'm gonna start drawing. So you can see object selection tool has an AI, so just detect and select the object. I'm gonna zoom by pressing alt and by rotating my mouse cursor, and again I'm gonna draw here and I'm gonna select that by pressing shift, and I'm gonna just continue this drawing. Sometimes it won't select the part, so just press again alt and delete it because there are no good pixels. So better you just select a good picture while doing this. Alright, let's do. It's not happening. So I'm gonna select quick selection tool and I'm gonna just do this part thing just like this and select a bit extra too so I can delete it later. Again I'll go back to object selection and press alt and I'll just draw a rectangular like this, and it deletes the unnecessary selection, as you can see. Okay, no pixels. So just keep doing like this and just ignore the hair part which is coming inside the picture, as it will be something different when the result comes. So yeah, so just ignore that and let's check whether is there any selection remaining. Okay, and there is almost a dummy selection. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press Ctrl plus J to make a duplicate layer of this, and I'm gonna convert it to smart object. As you can see, I'm gonna press here on layer 1 and I'm gonna convert it to smart object, and I'm gonna zoom out fast. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, as I selected the layer 1 and it's now smart object, so I'm gonna go in filter and I'm gonna select blur, and in blur, Gaussian blur. In Gaussian blur, I will put the self radius around 5 because I will put soft edges. So I'm gonna click OK, and what I'm gonna do is now, this is the main thing, so please just watch it carefully. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the blending mode of the layer. I'm gonna do it to linear dodge add. So as you can see, it has now totally changed and it has got already a glow. So what I'm gonna do, we need a bit with more glow. So again I'm gonna do this layer once, a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. As you can see, again it got with extra glow, but I'm gonna reduce it by pressing on Gaussian blur by just double clicking, and I'm gonna type here around 100. As you can see, I'm gonna go again make a duplicate layer by doing the same, and again I'm gonna go in Gaussian blur and I'm gonna make it to 250. Okay, so we are done with our glow effect, and what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna make a group of these layers by pressing Ctrl, and this layer already selected. I select this layer and press Ctrl plus G, as you have already pressed Ctrl, so just press G. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna after the group one, I'm gonna take a new undo layer by pressing here, something like this, then layer 2. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this picture look more glowy. So I'm gonna just go into the blending options down here in adjustment layer, and I'm gonna select color lookup, and in color lookup, as you can see, this is 3DLTU file, load 3DLT. Go open this and go to nightfrombake.cube. This is the best. Like, there are a lot of extensions and kind of presets are available in Photoshop, but I'm gonna use this because we need a glowy effect. Just press OK. As you can see, there is like a massive change in a photo. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just close this, and it's like now fully like a night glow, but we need the glow only on the object. So I'm gonna go on the again in the blending options, the adjustment layer, and I'm gonna increase the contrast, as you can see, brightness and contrast, and increase the contrast by 100, just like something like this. Don't worry about the picture, and just close this and select here color lookup one, and press your brush and go in brush and select the brush, the soft round. Don't select the hard one, as we request soft. And keep the size according to your picture. Or just you can increase and decrease by pressing bracket, as you can see. Okay, and make sure you keep this layer like set foreground as black, and the yeah, another layer as white. I don't know what they say. All right, I'm gonna make it no more glowy. I'm gonna select around 250. Okay, so just like this. Boom. As you can see, it's already got so much better. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna decrease the size of the brush, and I'm gonna just like put big light into here too. As you can see, something like this will appear, and I'm gonna add a bit light to hairs too, because that's the best feature of building, like a hair like in color, so it looks more attractive. Okay, so we're done. And in some cases, if the photos or like the picture is like high contrasted, then just do one thing. I'll just remove the what I have done. Okay, so what we just do is like select the flow to 10%. So you'll have something like this. Just a zoom in. So yeah, it depends on your picture. You can increase your flow, as you can see here. Okay, so it always depends on the picture, what picture you're using. And again, it's like reasonably turn on the skin. See, I thinking just like this. Okay, so just keep doing, and again the hairs. That's the best part. I mean the best feature of anything really green hair that really looks so cool and vibrant. Okay, so something just like this will appear. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on group one, and I'm gonna create another layer, and In this layer, I'm gonna draw a few outline and I'm gonna show something really which is good to the picture. So what I'm gonna do is first also sorry layer 3 blending option, go here and then blending option, go to outer blur and take the blending mode as frame and opacity as 100 and noise 0 and color it depends on which you want, like you can take x2, I'll just take it okay, and the spread should be 0, technique should be softer, that should be 100 and just keep it default as it is. And just as you can see what it's gonna give and just press okay. And while drawing you can just select a flow bit sound 50 okay, and just decrease the size of the brush by pressing bracket or by selecting it from upper side, zoom in and start drawing. Sorry, my drawing is really bad. Okay, just make it quick. Just don't worry if the drawing is going a bit outside too, as it's gonna give another look. So just keep doing. But if you have a lot of patience, then just do with patience. Okay, I have done something like this. Okay, now go back to our selection tool and select here from magic wand tool. It's really good and it's basically in default state. In the one selection state, just make two selection state and select this because we don't want to miss any of the part. So I just made it like two selection and go back to blending options, select solid color, green, something like this, something just like this, make it tough. Okay, something like this will appear. Just don't worry and go and change the blending mode according to which kind of you want. I'm gonna make it okay. I'll just go with what's this exclusion difference. I'll just go with saturation. I think the oral color still go with. I'm a bit confused. I'm gonna go with exclusion. Okay, you decided so hold it still saturation. So hope you guys like this tutorial and yeah, this is how it's easy and simple. You can use it on many other pictures and just make sure to draw well, not something like me. And okay, thank you. Have a good day or night. Depends. Bye.